Part of the allure of going on an adventure is pushing the limits of what you've done before. Getting out of your comfort zone and going further. Pushing your off-road vehicle to the limits and testing your skills. My name is Sean, and this is the story till now. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I know what you're thinking. What happened to the beard? Well, if you mustache, I want to start off by thanking everybody who subscribed recently. Our subscribe numbers have jumped way up. Thanks so much. There's still about 60% of viewers are on average not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed to the channel already, I'd appreciate if you do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. It does help out a lot. I also want to thank everyone who bought one of our stickers. We sold out in 1 week. That's amazing. We are working on getting some more for you. We're going to do the new logo design for the next sticker, and that should be launching sometime around May. So stay tuned for that. I'll let you guys know when they're available. Today I'm going to meet up with Kyle, who you may remember from the No Man's Land video with his XJ. He's got a new TJ that he built. We're going to take that out, do some wheeling with it, test it out, do some exploring, have a good day. Come along with me for the ride. All right, we just got to the bottom of the trail, aired down the tires. Kyle's got his new TJ here. How you liking the TJ so far?
Oh, it's great. 4.5 inch lift, 35 inch tires. Pretty simple.
I haven't been up in this area for a few years, so I was looking forward to doing some exploring. Until recently, it was covered in a lot of snow. Down near the river, we found some obstacles to play around on, and sadly I wasn't able to get up this step despite a few attempts. I was getting hung up on something under the truck to the little longer wheelbase. It sure is nice to be out in the sun wheeling again, instead of in constant rain or snow. We decided to head further up the trail and see how high we could get. This valley can be incredibly scenic at points, and I've never gotten to explore it much. Yeah, I think so. I've had some practice.
Try crawling it?
What's that?
Try crawling it?
4 low didn't get me very far.
No?
4 high is working a lot better.
Want me to take a go?
Yeah, your turn.
Oh! Yeah!
Well, we tried to make it up this hill, but snow's a bit too slippery. Truck was overheating, so I think we're gonna turn around, head back another direction, see what happens. Like I was saying, this valley is pretty beautiful, but we were about ready to do some real wheeling. I haven't done much rock crawling in the Gladiator. That's just not the terrain that we have around for the most part, but that's going to change today.
Passenger, yeah. You're good. You can go a little passenger. Yeah, keep riding passenger. Passenger, passenger. Ooh, oh, you cleared it.
yeah.
This trail is known as 6 feet under, named as such because the majority of it is below ground level with walls on either side. It really does feel like you're 6 feet underground sometimes, and it makes for a pretty visually interesting ride. Now normally we wouldn't move an obstacle on the trail, but this giant boulder was directly in the middle of the path, which was narrow and off-camber. It also looked like it fell there recently. I didn't see any way to go safely over or around it without moving a few feet to the right, which we did easily with the winch.
I think we figured it out.
I think so.
Gave us a nice little flex rock obstacle now.
Short wheelbase. Oh.
Last descent of the trail. This one's a little bit sketchy. It's gonna be fun though.
Passenger.
Well, I'm gonna hit this tree.
Oh, okay. Well, then you have to prepare to slide down that log. You got about another 1.5 feet. No, you have to go past. Do it.
Now, it may not look like it on your screen, but this is a challenging hill to descend on a weird angle, and it's between some tight trees.
Turn it up. You're good. Yeah, hey, your rear fender. Oh, you're good. Yeah, straighten out. Yeah, perfect. Good job. Yeah, straighten out. Passenger. Oh, that's good, that's good. Easy. Yeah.
And just like that, we'd conquered 6 feet under. A short but challenging trail that is the most technical that I've put the Gladiator up against yet. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what we're going to do next week. While you're here, click on the thumbnail and check out one of our previous videos.